National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Butler County in southwestern Ohio until 5:45 p.m.
No.
At 3:50 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5
That's just the same
inches of
warning.
rain has already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another inch possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hamilton, Middletown, Fairfield, Oxford, Monroe, Trenton, South Middletown, Westchester, Ross, Dartown, Four Bridges, Wellington, Riley, New Miami, Millville, and Scipio. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.